Hello everybody, I am the Linkzilla, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. When we last left off, we basically scoured all over this planet. I fought my way through a volcano, and I basically kind of low-key dissed Linkara for a bit. And, well, now we're moving on to the next planet. A planet basically overrun with pollution and gas, the Blarg homeworld. We're gonna see what we can find there. Kogor Refinery on Orxon. Search the laboratories. Two gold bolts to find. Blast off. Did we crash into something on the way out? I have a feeling that this level is going to be interesting, especially since there's still a rift between Ratchet and Clank after what happened with Quark. Orxon, huh? Orxon. Isn't that, like, similar to the name of some kind of oil company? I think they're making commentary. Yep, Clank is going at it alone. Warning, O2 mask required for organic life forms. So, Clank, looks like you're on your own on this one. That crate opened up by itself. The only thing that I really don't like about playing with Clank, aside from the fact that he doesn't have any weapons of his own, is really the fact that without Ratchet, his mobility is completely... it's so limited. Despite the fact that he is the reason that Ratchet can actually be so mobile in the actual game. Like, basically, let's see, what the hell is what the camera's doing? Right now I'm basically pressing R1 to basically do that whole crouch thing, but Clank doesn't crouch. He does go into first person though with the L buttons, but you would think that basically just by running, hitting L1 and the X button, Clank could fling himself forward the same way that he does when Ratchet is running. So, ooh. Looks like I can't activate the vendor. I was hoping that the shop owner had a unique greeting for Clank. Can he make that? Nope. He's also heavier than Ratchet, so his jumps aren't getting him far. Yep, it looks like this entire section is for Ratchet to explore. The final digit of pi is... Jesus, that guy annihilated me, and I couldn't even get close enough to attack. What the hell? I guess that's another way that Ratchet has to go, because that guy, he's not moving forward. That's a barrier right there. He's guard dog. Dangerous mutant husbandry. A teleporter. but what's the point? Oh, I guess it's for these little guys. They can't jump. They can't climb. They can't jump. Speak friend and enter. Follow me, you idiot. Sick 'em. You wait here. I didn't say enter, I said wait. I wanted to send them all in at once. This looks like another job for Ratchet. Ratchet this and Ratchet that. If Ratchet is so great, why can't he be here without an oxygen mask? If he's so smart, how come he's dead? It's gonna be one of the funniest Homer Simpson one-liners. If he's so smart, how come he's dead? I think the saddest thing about that line is that Homer actually thought that he made a point. I like how Clank's antenna changes color on when he gives a command. Yes, I've used Gadgebots before. Gadgetbots. I'll deal with you in a minute. Sick 'em. Not them. Back here. And yet somehow I still took a hit. You know, I can't help but wonder, what did they have? What did the Blarg have all these Gadgebots lying around for? Maybe Gadgebots are normally used for things like maintenance. Maybe that's why you need a certain number of them before you can enter a door, because maybe that door is actually broken, and the number of Gadgebots that you're sending in to unlock it is actually the number of bots required to repair it, so that it can open. Yep, I like coming up with plausible explanations for video game mechanics. And why? Because I live in the real world, damn it. And the real world demands a little something called logic. Four. Oh my god, 5. I am a single father of 5. This... Ratchet is not going to be happy about this. Cool. You little guys aren't as dumb as I thought. Wait, I need 6? Come out, wherever you are. Aha! There you go, little fella. Come here, my child. Now, you're going to follow me up these stairs. I'm going to lead you to this door, and then I'm going to command you to crawl inside of this hole, see? Yep, basically commanding kids to crawl inside holes. That's what responsible parents do, right? Do not play with explosives, kids. No teleporter. I need to get that door open. Kids, you stay right there. Daddy is only going to be gone for a short while. Alright, you stay here. Good boy. You actually listen to me when I say things. Maybe I can... Ah, good boys. And you a good boy. You're the best boy. I think I'll call you Ratchet Jr. Just think, one day, when you guys are a bit bigger and possibly grow arms, you'll be able to do like Daddy does. Imagine if this wasn't the switch that held that door open, and then as they're coming towards the door, it suddenly slams shut and destroys all of them. This children is called money. Daddy really likes lots of money, and we're going to have to collect a lot of money. sick 'em. My own personal little death squad. Now I have my own little family to travel with in my quest to conquer the galaxy. What, you didn't think that I was trying to save the galaxy for purely altruistic reasons, did you? No, I have to save the galaxy, because if I don't, there'll be no galaxy left to conquer. What a daring, narrow escape. Here comes my children. Wait a second, where's Ratchet Jr.? RJ? RJ. And you, the, number 5, what are you doing here? Now you two wait here. Come, my children. And number 6. Oh, this is just so wonderful. I've come to love and appreciate you all as my own little children. It almost makes me feel regret that I'm about to just stuff you into a hole so that, for my own purposes. Now, pay attention, children. Daddy has an important lesson to you. That lesson is, cool guys don't look at explosions. We walk away slowly. I seem to be down a child. This could be a problem. How the heck did I leave these bolts behind? Don't worry, children, I have a new sibling for you. Little 2.0. Ah, the family is all here. Now get in the hole. I gotta admit, I really do like this level. I mean, Clank sneaking around in an old laboratory like this. Almost like he's a secret agent. Secret Agent Clank. Kinda has a catchy ring to it, but who would ever come up with that bright idea? I feel like there should be something here. Gold bolt, maybe? And there's our prize, the Magna Boots. Maybe that's how Godzilla did the dropkick. Godzilla actually has powerful magnets in his shoes. In his feet. But wait, he has the ability to turn himself into a magnet, so he magnetized his feet, he performed the dropkick, the magnets attracted to the metal in Jet Jaguar, and brought his feet directly into Megalon's chest. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. An infobot. Well, I certainly did a lot in this episode. I became a father of, let's see, how many was it? 3, 6, 12, 15. I became a father of 15, and I sacrificed all my children for my own purposes, the greater good. Ratchet. Huh. I thought that was going to be a river of acid. Oh well, if there's more to do. I guess this means I've become a father of 16. Those creatures are dropping bombs from the sky. No. Alright, version 3.0, let's go. Don't look at it, kids. Cool guys, don't look at explosions. Oh no, I killed him before he was even born! The Supreme Court has recently outlawed that. And now I am once again a single father of 6, which means in total I have been a father of 21. Kids, you stay here. I'm going to go investigate something. Just making sure there weren't any nooks and crannies that I didn't explore. What was that? Oh, it's a dead end. I have to get my children out of here. Oh no! Okay, kids. Okay, whatever this strange beam of light is, it seems to be on a locked path. Excellent, we still have all 6. I was afraid that we had lost somebody back there. Kids, you stay here. There's the ramp. We made it. Excellent. Oh no! Must be careful. Don't want to trip so close to the finish line. Actually, you wait here. Ah! See? That's why I had you wait. Alright, troops, fall in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Such good children. I shall mourn them forever. Well, time to replace them. Second. You loser. This time with more feeling. Not my children, you bitch. Holy crap, there are lots of them in this one. Alright, boys, sick 'em. Disposable children. I always have to go back and collect more. Do other parents have problems like these? Good boys. As a unit. Run! But now, I sort of stopped counting, so the question is, do I have 10? And I'm certainly not going to bother counting all those bouncing antennae. Clank. Whoa! They didn't activate the door, they activated that turret. And there's the infobot. So let's see. 21. And then another 10 on top of that. Oh my god. I became a father to 31 different children. And I disposed of all of them. Because they are disposable. I brought them into this world. I can take them out. Create others just like them. I am a god. Man, me making Clank evil. That's gonna be some kind of funny joke, right? Are you gonna share with us?
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Better not let Ratchet see this one. Planet Poketaru. Oh no. I think that Clank, now that Clank basically is having conflict with Ratchet, he's starting to realizing that Ratchet is a bit too self-interested. Now he's gonna start keeping secrets from him in order to serve his agenda in saving the galaxy. So that I can conquer it for myself. Ratchet! You see, that makes sense. I'm surprised that they didn't use that in the first place.
Hey! You giving me these or not?
They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
Oh.
Now he's magnetized.
What do you have in there?
Gears, metal filings, dust.
You know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our missions.
Is it something about Quark?
Man, Clank has no will.
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24 hours a day.
Really?
Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm waters. The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea. You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
July Resort. Poketaru.
I knew it.
Oh, come on. Switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.
Ratchet, I mean, I basically hate to be a downer, but you do realize that the galaxy as we know it is coming to an end, right? Like, you see all these planets that we've been to, that the Blarg have attacked? Yeah, we didn't save any of these places. Most of these planets are literally going to be destroyed because we literally failed to stop them. Oh, whatever. Anyways, I have the grind boots, so I can, in fact, go back to that other planet with the military base. Heck, I could basically... In fact, I can actually go back to Ardia, the planet where we found skidmic marks, because now that we have the mag boots, there was that one section that we couldn't explore, so yeah, I think I'll do that in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Be sure to like it, share it with your friends. If you want to keep up to date with more Ratchet and Clank and the exploits of the evil Secret Agent Clank in his quest to take over the galaxy, then be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, I will catch you fleshy fools in the next video. Goodbye.